Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest insights and tips to make the most out of your investments. Today, we are going to learn about asset allocation. It's the key to managing risk and maximizing your returns. So, stay tuned as we break it all down for you. Asset allocation is like building your investment mix, a bit like making a balanced smoothie. It's about spreading your investments across various asset classes to reduce risk. We'll discuss the 4 primary asset classes: stocks, bonds, real estate, and cash or cash equivalents. Now, why is asset allocation so crucial? Let's find out. One of the biggest benefits is risk management. By diversifying your portfolio, you can reduce the impact of market volatility. Asset allocation also helps with return maximization. Different asset classes perform well in different economic conditions, and having a mix can boost your returns. Let's now explore some effective strategies for managing your asset allocation. One common strategy is age-based allocation. It involves adjusting your mix as you grow older, reducing risk as you approach retirement. Another key factor is risk tolerance. The secret sauce to asset allocation is building a diversified portfolio. And don't forget rebalancing. But before you rush into asset allocation, there are some common mistakes to avoid. The biggest mistake is putting all your eggs in one basket. Neglecting to regularly review your portfolio can also be detrimental. In conclusion, asset allocation is your path to financial success. By understanding and mastering asset allocation, you empower yourself to navigate the financial markets with confidence. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more valuable insights. See you in the next video. Investments are subject to market risk. Read all scheme-related documents carefully. This video is only for educational purposes. Please consult your financial advisor before making any decision.